As a last concept to lecture 2, we'll discuss 4 methods of drawing circles. So, way to access the circle command, it is right here in your tool ribbon. The third option from the left, which is circle. You have to just click under that various methods. It will open 6 methods of drawing circles. Today, we'll discuss only 4. We'll pick first one. This is center comma radius. So you need to specify the center point for the circle. So specify the center point of the circle, and you need to specify the radius, which I will specify as 10 feet. Enter. So we'll explore the second one, which is center comma diameter. Just pick this option, specify the center of the circle, and now you have to specify the diameter of the circle. So in the first method, you have specified the radius. Now we have to specify the diameter. The diameter will be, I'll specify as 20 feet. Enter. So this is 20 feet diameter circle, and this is 20 feet radius circle. 10 feet radius circle, sorry. And the third one, which is 2-point circle. So here I need to specify 2 points along the circumference of the circle, right? So here I need to specify the first endpoint of a circle. This is the first endpoint, and we can specify the second endpoint, which is 20 feet. So you might ask me, what is the difference between the diameter circle and 2-point circle? It differs. It differs on situation. We'll be talking in detail when we'll be starting our worksheets. Okay. So now we'll explore the fourth kind of, or the fourth method of your circle. Pick the 3-point option. You need to specify the first point of the circle, second point, and the third point decides your dimension of your circle. Just specify the third point, and that's how you draw the 3-point circle. 3-point circle, you need to specify, as the name indicates, you need to specify 3 points on the circumference of a circle.